I'm going to be drinking this, egg, chocolate, loads of stuff, milk. So yeah, let's go. Ooh, it's quite scary. Alright, let's go, yeah? No, I'm shaking. Right, screw the world, well, not the world, screw everything in this cup. This is a chocolate milkshake. Let's go. Oh god. It's all gone. Right. So I finished that last bit. Right, that's me. That last bit seemed like the worst bit. I actually feel kind of fine, but it does taste very horrible. So I'll just do an outro for my this video, my YouTube. See you guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Bye.